अस्सलाम वालेकुम ग्रेड 7। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। दिस इज़ योर कंप्यूटर ऑनलाइन वीडियो लेक्चर। In this session, we will discuss question number C part 1 and 2 of unit number 1 on page number 20. So let's get started. First of all students, we will discuss question C part 1, difference between RAM and ROM. And the answer of this question is on page number 11 and 12. And here you can see the difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is the main memory of computer. It is referred as random access memory. The storage of data and instructions inside the RAM is temporary and RAM is volatile memory. On the other hand, ROM is another memory. It is referred as read-only memory. The storage of data and program inside the ROM is permanent and ROM is a non-volatile memory. Students, RAM is the main memory of the computer and it is referred as random access memory, whereas ROM is another memory in computer which is called read-only memory. RAM data can be read, erased or modified, whereas ROM data is read-only and it cannot be changed. Now second point is the storage of data and instructions inside RAM is temporary because in RAM data is present till power supply is present, whereas the storage of data and programs inside ROM is permanent because in ROM data remains even after power supply is not present. Now coming towards third difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is volatile memory because it temporarily stores the files you are working on, whereas ROM is non-volatile memory because it permanently stores instructions for your computer. Now students, let's discuss question number C part 2, difference between volatile and non-volatile memory. And the answer of this question is on page number 11 and 12. First of all students, you will learn from the memories which lose their contents to its slot. Now come to page number 12. You will learn from the memories which do not lose their content to its slot. Now let's read the answer. The memories which lose their contents on failure of power supply are known as volatile memories. Thus we can say that RAM is a volatile memory and it is mounted on motherboard in its slot. Whereas the memories which do not lose their content on failure of power supply are known as non-volatile memories. Thus, ROM is a non-volatile memory and it is mounted on motherboard in its slot. First of all students, what is the meaning of volatile memory and non-volatile memory? Volatile memory needs constant power in order to retain data, whereas non-volatile memory can retain stored information even after power is removed. So the main difference between volatile memory and non-volatile memory is that the memories which lose their contents on failure of power supply are known as volatile memory, whereas the memories which do not lose their content on failure of power supply are known as non-volatile memory. As we have already discussed that RAM is a volatile memory whereas ROM is a non-volatile memory. So students, in today's lecture we have discussed about the difference between RAM and ROM and the difference between volatile and non-volatile memory. That's all for today. I hope you understand. Take care. Allah Hafiz.